All natural sites which are inscribed on the World Heritage List, including marine sites, must first undergo strict evaluation by the IUCN, the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This global group is a longtime UNESCO partner with thousands of experts worldwide.
We have a very distinct role, a special role in the World Heritage Convention as the advisory body on nature to UNESCO's World Heritage Committee. When we get a file from a state putting forward a site, we have about a year's worth of work to look at that site very carefully and evaluate whether it meets the requirements to be put on the World Heritage List. Firstly, we have an on-site mission. So for every site, we send somebody and maybe two people out on the ground to meet the people that manage that site, to meet the governments that are responsible, to meet the communities that live and work there, to see whether it's a really well-managed, properly protected place, and a place where World Heritage lives with the people that are living and working alongside these important places. We also have a global review process, so we go out to world experts to see whether a site really is the best of the best. What we look for is whether a site is of outstanding universal value, and that means looking at three things. Firstly, does it meet the criteria which the World Heritage Committee has set? And can we really assert that this is a site of truly global importance? The second is whether it has integrity. That's whether it's large enough to include all the values that it says are important, whether those values are in good condition. The third thing is whether it's protected and managed in a way which is going to conserve those values in the long term. And we look at that for every site which we're asked to evaluate. Ultimately, the challenge for any site which is on the World Heritage List is sustaining its values in the long term, being properly managed, being effectively protected in a way which you know is going to endure for decades to come.